Kurumirira maumirira ma ithurano nini iria iratabanirio muthenya wa ira, gikundi gia gũthũrima ithurano kia ELOG ni gitugire commission ithurano na mihaka IEBC ikiuga commission ino njeru ni iratabanirie githurano giki na njira ya ma na waragania.
Ballot box seals were publicly verified and ballots were audibly called out. Disputes were recorded in 10% of polling stations observed, but most were resolved at the station level. Police officers were present in all polling stations when counting commenced.
ELOG yugite ona thengia wa gutumuka ngahi ya icigo itiganite cia bururi, ngahi ya cirari nja wa ceceni cia wikia wa kura, na ugo mihango ya utabania hamwe na utarinde na thoguo undu uria urakinyaniire mihango eno.
We have noted the violence which happened across a number of areas. It was not in all the areas, but it did happen in quite significantly in a number of areas. Malava, for instance, Kasipul, Kabondo, we had in Mbere, Kariobangi North, even here in Nairobi, we had skirmishes here and there. But there are two things to this. One, a lot of this did not affect what was happening inside the polling stations. It was outside the polling station.
Gukire oguo, ELOG ni rutete mendekithia kuri IEBC niguo kugacirithia ithurano cia mana waragania makiria githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027 kuria mendekithitie muingi ugathomithio wega mbere ya githurano kinene giukite, ciama cia kiuteti na huraneri kwaga guthoga mihango ya ithurano na oho gutacokeria makinya ma kiwatho aria maranyitekanire magitumura ngui.
IEBC must enforce strict compliance with assisted voting procedures, including the mandatory administration and documentation of the oath of secrecy in all applicable cases, and must take decisive corrective action against any official found to have facilitated breaches of ballot secrecy.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Maina wa Kihara.